Good morning students. Today in this video we are going to see the topic is division of integers. Division of integers. In the first we see the addition subtraction of the integers. After that we see the multiplication of the integers. Now in this video we are going to study the division of integers. For that first we see the sign rules for the division of integers. Before this we learn the sign rules for the multiplication of the integers. These rules are the same for the divisions also. Now let's recall these rules for the divisions. Division of the two positive integers. Division of the two positive integers, you get the positive integer. If we divide the two positive integer, you always get the positive integers. See here, positive integers divided by positive integers, you get the positive integers. For example, 4 divided by 2, both are the positive integers. When you divide 4 by 2, you get the answer 2. Second rule is, if the one is negative integer and another is the positive integer, when you divide, that time you get the always negative integers. Negative integers. For example, minus 4 divided by 2, you get the answer minus 2. You get the answer minus 2. Now third rule, same. Suppose first is positive integers and second is the negative integers. When you divide, you get the negative integers. 4 divided by minus 2, you get the answer minus 2. And fourth rule is, if the both are the negative integers, when you are divide, you get always positive integers. For example, minus 4 divided by minus 2, both are the negative integers and you are dividing, you get the positive integers, that is plus 2 answer. It means that if the same sign is there, then the division of these integers, you get the positive integers. Same sign here, plus plus, you get the positive integer, minus minus, you get the positive integers. If the opposite signs are there, if the one is positive, another is the negative, opposite signs are there, that time you get the always negative integers. Now we see the properties of the division of the integers. Properties, some properties. In the previous video also we have seen the closure, commutative property. Now we see for the division. This property we see for the particularly for the division. First is, integers are not closed under division. See here, close means if you divide the two integers, if you get the answer also integer, then you can say the close. These integers are the close. But see here, integers are not closed under division. See here, for example, minus 4 divided by minus 8. When you divide, you get the answer minus 4 upon minus 8. This simplify. If you simplify, you get the answer 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, means 1 upon 2 is not an integer. This is not integer. This is not a integer. It is a rational number because this is in the form of p upon q. It is not an integer. So we can write integers are not closed under division. It means that division of the two integers, you did not get the result integers. So we write down integers are not closed under division. The next property is, division is not commutative for integers. Commutative property means change the order of number. Change the order of numbers. 4 divided by 2, you get the answer 2. When you divide 4 by 2, you get the answer 2. But if we change this order of numbers, 2 divided by 4 means first number goes to the second position and second number goes to the first position. That is 2 divided by 4. That time you get the answer 1 upon 2. 2 divided by 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So you get the answer 1 upon 2. In both the cases, the answers are not same. So we write down division is not commutative for the integers. And the next property is, for any integer a divided by 0 is not defined. When you divide by 0, that time you did not get the answer, means this answer is not defined. And but 0 divided by a, if you divide 0 by any number, you get the answer 0. For any a not is equal to 0, this a should not be 0, means except 0, this a is any integers. And the next property is any integer divided by 1 gives the same answer. When you divide the any integers by 1, then you get the same answer. For example, see, 7 divided by 1, you get the same answer 7. Minus 1 divided by, minus 11 divided by 1, you get the answer minus 11. See here, the answer is same when you divide by 1. Students, you have to write these points in your classwork notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.